Hello guys, today we're going to make a deep dive into the 5 GHz band connection in your Motorola Moto G17 Power. So, let's break it down. What is 5 GHz Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi has two main bands. 0.4 GHz connection, which is the first one. It has, of course, longer range, but slower speeds. More interference neighbors like Bluetooth, microphones, etc. And of course 5 GHz, much faster speeds, lower latency, less lag, but of course shorter range. Think of it like 2.4 GHz connection, like a slow highway of traffic, but it's a highway, so you can actually travel everywhere, but with some traffic, maybe not high traffic, but traffic. And 5 GHz, fast express lane, but only through one city. So, does Moto G17 Power support 5 GHz? Yes, it does. Open the settings and here network internet. Tap here Wi-Fi, and now, as you can see, here I've got two networks, 5G and 2.4G. You can't see actually the icon that it's 5G, but if you tap this gear icon, you can see frequency 5 GHz over here. So actually that's the whole file stuff. You need to just connect to the Wi-Fi, your Wi-Fi, and if your Wi-Fi router does support the 5G, your phone will also connect to the 5G. Goodbye.